As it comes out, it's slowly getting sucked into the tube, and before I'm able to show you in its full glory, this patient, let's call her Robina Rayasat. A very foggy view because we are in colder winter months here in the UK, and a bit like a car windscreen, the end of the endoscope lens can get very foggy very quickly. So I'm opening up the ear canal, and the well-oiled keratin attaches to the end of the Zollner immediately. As it comes out, it's slowly getting sucked into the tube, and before I'm able to show you in its full glory, it's suctioned straight into the tube. Some softer, wet looking keratin which got left behind is being suctioned up here, and you can see there is a keratin layer deeper which also gets lifted up. Quite a large piece which gets lifted up and again straight into the tube, and another piece here. This ear wasn't infected, although it does somehow look like that. Robina Rayasat builds up this layer of keratin quite often, so before her appointment she always makes sure that she has done a good job with the oiling, so much so that it looks very wet when it isn't. And there we have it. Here is a final shot of the eardrum. The passage to the eardrum is now clear, which is very important for her hearing device usage. Some bits of keratin sticking up around the periphery, but it's okay to leave those there as it's not needed to be removed or safe either. This week we have a question from I Am Junebug. I Am Junebug asks, what is chopsticking? I haven't heard that term before. Chopsticking is when the endoscope and the Zollner are fighting for space, so they bounce off each other, causing a quick movement in the camera, which is not ideal. It's usually something that happens in very narrow ear canals or ear canals where you have a very small entrance to it. We try to minimize this by having the Zollner and the end of the endoscope in slightly different parts of the ear canal. But as you know, the ear canal is very, very small, so it isn't always possible to stop the chopsticking. I hope that answers your question. Please keep the questions coming in. Keep liking, subscribing and commenting, and I will see you in the next one.